out. Here's some trash. This one is in Norcross, Georgia. Nice little fireplace. It's pretty dirty. This is just a closet. But I like these move out cleanings. Here is a powder room. And the kitchen area, you can see, pretty grubby. Yeah, here's the kitchen. That's the oven. Let's open the oven. Yep, dirty. So I'll spray some oven cleaner in there and get that cleaned up. The top isn't so bad. Let's see what's in the microwave. Microwave's pretty bad on the outside. Ooh, it's sticky. Inside's not too bad, but the outside's really bad. And there's some stuff in the cabinets. They forgot. I'll get that back to them. Okay, so this is a pretty small little house. Look at this pantry. Okay, and then there's an upstairs with 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 2 baths. So we'll go up there and see what we have up the stairs. So this is the master. And here's some stains on the carpet. I won't be able to take care of that. It's a nice walk-in closet. Yep. And then master bathroom, which is a little dirty, but not too bad. Not too bad. I've seen worse. You've seen worse if you've been watching my videos. Gotta get that mold off of there. Stuff like that. I find stuff like that all the time. Little things that people leave behind and just throw it away. And then over here, there is another bedroom. Let's see. Lights. And another closet. Looks like they had some kind of insect problem. Some creepy little spider webs in the corner. They will go away. I don't know what that is. A little sachet. And this bathroom, let's see how bad this bathroom is. Turn the light on. The floor's kind of messed up. Not too bad. I can handle it. And some more stuff to throw away. Okay, well, time for me to get to work. I'll come back and show you the end result. I'm gonna take a break, but I'm gonna see if these little guys are out here. Look, they keep hanging here. There's actually some other ones, but these 3 keep coming back. Oh, and they're so cute. They kind of will let me pet them, but they won't. But I don't know. They look like they're probably about 4 months old, maybe. I don't know. They're adorable. Anyway, I'm gonna take a little break, and then I'll show you the upstairs. So the upstairs is done. There's still stains on the carpet, but I'm not cleaning the carpet, so we got it all vacuumed. Tons of dust, but you can see how shiny everything is now. And all that mildew is gone and shiny. And there's a little rust spot in that corner there. But, so my secret, I'll tell you what my secret is to get that mildew off, what I use to clean the tub, is 3 things. I use dishwashing detergent and vinegar, and I don't use Dawn. I know there are people who swear you have to use the blue Dawn. No. I just use whatever I have and vinegar, and I put it in a spray bottle. And to get into all the little grooves, I use a scrub brush. And down in the bottom, to get the staining off, I use a magic eraser. Pretty cool, huh? There's still some mildew like in the grouted areas, but most of it's done off. And here's the laundry room that was really a mess. There's a rip in the linoleum there, but look, all nice and clean. And then the bedroom back here, staining on the carpet again. And this bathroom, I don't know what that is on the floor, but you can see the tub is nice and shiny. There's some rust stains there, either from razors or from shaving lotion, but everything else looks good. The toilets, I didn't show you the other toilet, but they look nice. They're older toilets, so there's some staining down in the hole, that hole there, but the toilets look pretty good. Sinks look good. Mirror looks good. Don't look at me, I'm dirty. Okay, so I'm done. You can see I vacuumed. It's amazing what vacuuming will do, even on a dirty rug. Excuse me. But all the dust and the debris is up. There's still stains here. And this is the bathroom. Much better, nice and shiny. This house needs paint, I think. But there's that. And the kitchen. So there's a stain on the floor there. And there's some nicks in the linoleum there. But look at the counters. They're bright and shiny. And the stove. Remember all that grease? That's all gone. There's some around that handle. Remember, the handle's broken, but I did what I could there. That's pretty built up there. And here, I don't know what happened here. This sink isn't going down. I tried the garbage disposal, but it won't turn on. But so they have half a shiny sink. And I'll tell the owner when they got here. There's still some staining on this dishwasher, but it's much better than it was. And I want to show you the oven. So ovens are difficult for me because, I mean, this is definitely an improvement over what it was. And I sprayed oven cleaner on it as soon as I got here. But I don't know how long that's been baking on there. See that big spot back there? And some of these others. I did scrub it with steel wool. But, you know, something like that really needs to soak overnight to get the full effect. But that seems to be par for the course when I'm doing these type of cleanings. But it looks so much better. I'm so proud of that microwave because it was bad. And the counters had some greasy buildup on it too. So, but I got that off. I used my magic formula, the vinegar and the dish soap and a little scrubby tool. So all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye-bye.